Hello everyone, my name is Mike and today I will be doing a review of the Bluehost hosting service. So I will be talking about the pros, about the cons, and then if by the end of this video you would like to subscribe, there is a link in the description where you're gonna get a discounted price when you purchase from that link. So one of the things that I like about this website is this hosting brand is it gives you the option to integrate with WordPress very easily, and as well it has got a very fast service. Okay, so fast service when it comes to having your own website is very important, because otherwise people are gonna log out of the website. So there are so many different things that I like, because you can integrate it and very easily make drag and drop combinations to make a stunning websites within minutes. So as a difference from other hosting providers where you have to buy, for example, the hosting and then you need to connect it to WordPress, here is already integrated with a couple of clicks. So the whole plan, once that you get there are different options when it comes to the payment plan. So you can get the basic one where you will be getting $262 per month, and then you'll get a free domain for the whole month. They also offer the website builder integration, and once that you log into the account, you will see that here you got everything laid out, where you can see the marketplace, you can see your active domains, and as well you have access to different marketing tools as well. And then you can connect it to Google My Business and do Bluehost SEO and so many different things, so you can supercharge your website. Okay, so then you can go into your sites, and then you can see over here, this is how a site will look, and then you can start putting your different articles and so on, and then you can easily connect very quickly with WordPress within one click. And here when you click on plugins, you will be able to install all the different plugins that they are available. So that's one of the advantages, because you are able to build websites very quickly in a powerful hosting that is actually gonna help you to make revenue. And you can do a lot of things once that you create your WordPress. One of them will be Google AdSense, where you can monetize and place ads on your website, and that's something that you can do very quickly. And then to search for plugins, you could click here and then search for all the plugins. But once that you get the Bluehost, you will see that all these plugins, the website builder is already activated. Okay, and then as well, let me show you, because once that there are different options. You can either edit on the Bluehost, or if you want, you can edit on WordPress. So if you're gonna edit on the Bluehost platform, you can click here, but I personally prefer editing everything on WordPress. And then there's another website I'm gonna show you here. It's been monitoring the uptime of Bluehost for the last few years, and you can see that since 2007 it's always been nearly like 99%, which is actually very important, because the uptime, that means like how your life how your website is live, right? How much time your website is live. So once that your website is live, obviously means that the visitors can go to your website and they can purchase. But if your website is not live, that means that they're not gonna be able to make the purchase, which will be very inconvenient. So you want to make sure always that the uptime is the highest. And here you can see in February, just this month, is 99.9%, January 99.9%, then December 99.95%, then there was a slightly drop on November, but you can see apart from October as well, the rest have been nearly 100%. In July they go like 100%, and you can retrieve back to years and it's always the same. So this is very important for a hosting platform. Then when it comes to a response time, that means how long it takes to load, and you can see here it's 345 milliseconds, which is actually pretty fast, and this is also something that as well is very important, because otherwise people are not going to stay on your website, they are going to leave. So those are things that to take into consideration, and that's something that you can find on Bluehost, and they provide it for you. So let me actually show you when it comes to the share hosting, because you can buy domains as well. But if you're just looking for hosting, you can see here that the main difference on the price is like the more expensive you get, it will be because you have more security. Okay, so let me actually access it, and then you can see. So if $262 per month you're paying it, but obviously you're just gonna get access to one website. You got like 50 gigabyte storage, you got custom themes, you got 24/7 chat support. With this is actually very good, because anytime that you have a question, you can just go to a chat support and contact them. And here you can see at the top, you got different contact numbers that you can get in touch with them, and as well you can chat with them now. So they're always available for any questions you have. And the recommended package that they offer is the 4.83 per month. And the main difference is like you get like the free domain privacy, and your website will be more secure. So that's something that perhaps that's what I'll go for, because I think security is very important, especially with the amount of hacks that there are nowadays and with everything that is going on in the world. So that's the package that I've used. And then it's a year purchase, and when you buy for a year, then you will get a discount from as well. Instead of buying it for $295, you can get it for nearly like $270. Okay, and then this is the pro package, but this is if you just have if you just go a bigger business, and then you want to get as well a free dedicated IP. Okay, so that will be if you want to do that. But this package actually includes a lot of things, unlimited websites, and you get unlimited storage as well. And mainly difference, apart from getting the 365, which you actually get from the plus package, you as well get like free automatic backup for 1 year in case anything happens to your website, so you never lose the information. As well, you get your free domain privacy. Okay, so that's as well things interesting for you to consider. So as I said, like if you want to get a discount on this hosting platform, I've left the link in the description, so you can benefit from this discount, because I've been able to sort it out with them for you guys, so you can get benefit from that. Okay, so then when you come to your home, you're gonna be able to see and access different resources. And as well, when you can go to plugins, you click here, you want to go to plugins, and then you can add so many different plugins, and then you can either edit on the website builder, which is inside Bluehost, otherwise you will go into WordPress and you will do the editing over there, which that's something that I personally feel more comfortable with, because I've got previous experience here with WordPress. And then another thing that you could do over there to make your website look very, very nice, then you could go and as well install for example 3 themes, and then connect it with WordPress, and that will be your all-in-one solution. So when your visitors come to your website, they feel that you have a very professional website and it converts very well, which is the most important thing for your business. So with that said, guys, again, if you're gonna get the discount, click on the link in the description, because that way you can get a discount. And that's what I wanted to share with you. A review on the Bluehost, definitely one of my favorites. And you can try different options, but as I said, there are so many different features that could make this software very, very robust. So I hope that you have I hope that I've provided enough value for you to make an informed decision, where if you want to go ahead and sign up with this software. So with that said, I hope that you have a great day, a great week. I hope that you can build an amazing website for your business and it converts extremely well. So all the best, and peace out.